Hi family, welcome. Welcome to this new and exciting videos where we are going to start working on Tableau, and we are going to start it from very basic, from installation. Let's say you don't know Tableau, okay? You don't know minor details of the Tableau, okay? So we are going to start it from very basic thing, okay? And then we will do some exciting project. So first we have to learn how to install Tableau. So if you want to work on Tableau for free without any cost, just visit public.tableau.com. Open this. Click on the first link. You will be You will be redirected to the Salesforce sites for public.tableau.com. So Salesforce have very different softwares. Okay, so Tableau is one out of them. Now we have two versions of Tableau. First one is the public and second one is the desktop. So desktop version, you can also use it for free for just for 14 days. But this particular public version, you can use this for free of cost. Okay. So just click on sign up for Tableau. Okay. Just fill out this particular form. Okay. And once you click on create an account, your account will be created and the file will get downloaded automatically. So in your download folder, you can see this particular file, Tableau Public Desktop. Okay, and there are two versions of this particular file. First one is the 64-bit and second one is the 32-bit. So based on your system, the file will get downloaded automatically. Just open this file and install Tableau software. So once you have installed Tableau software, okay, open Tableau desktop, okay, which is the public version. Now, the first thing, whenever you're doing any project, you will need data there. Okay, so I'll share the data that is CSV or Excel file in the form of Google Drive link. What you can do, you can just download that particular file. Now, I have also downloaded and kept that particular file in my download folder. You can see here this one. Even office supplies, this is our data file. Now, the very first thing is we have to load that particular data file. So once you run the Tableau, okay, so here one option is there, connect. So connect means we are connecting this Tableau software with one data file. So our file is text file, that is CSV, that is comma separated values. So I'll select this downloaded file. Open. So if you have Excel file, you can just click on Microsoft Excel. So there are different ways in which you can connect data with the Tableau. Now I'll just explain this particular window to me. Once the data is downloaded, now this one, uh, first just see the connection. So whatever the different connections are there in your project, that will be appear here. If you want to add new connection, just click on add and you can add new files. So the file may be Microsoft Excel, text file, JSON, or any servers, PDF file, statistical file can also you can upload. Okay. Now whatever files you are going to upload, it will be visible in under this file section. Okay. Now right now we have only one file, but let's say if two files are there. So what we can do now, let us assume there are two files. So just drag that particular files in this window. Okay. And after dragging, you have to build connection between these two files. So in our project, there might be such thing like that. Key two files are there. Okay. We have to connect the data together. So for that particular case, we can use this one. Now we are going to work on one file only. So this window is nothing but a preview of that particular file. So these are the column, order date, region, okay, and item, unit, and all, okay, and representative. Now the next thing is I'll show this particular file to you in Excel also so that it will be more clear. See, only one tab is there. First one is order date. Then second one is the region. Third one is the representative. Then items, unit, and unit. Okay. So in the similar way, in Tableau also, you will get a preview of that one. Order date, region, representative, item, unit, and unit cell. Okay. Now this window is used for loading the data. We have already loaded the data. Now what we have to do based on this particular data, we have to create insights. Okay. So if you like see the window carefully, on the bottom left corner, you have two things: data source for loading the data, and second one is the sheet one. So if you click on sheet one, you will get this type of window. Now, see, first one, your project name, which is book one. Then the option is for file for like if you want to select new file or open new file. So you can just click on new. Then if you want to add more data, you can use this data tab. Then worksheet. If you want to create one more new worksheet, you can use this one. And other things you can explore. If you want to create a new dashboard, you can use this one. Then story, analysis, map, format. If you want to change any format, lines, border, shading, alignment, font, you can use this one. If you want to run optimizer, you can use server, then Windows and help. So you can get support from help. Now, after that, we know we have already loaded our data in this data source tab. Okay, now we're going to use the data for creating the insights. Okay, now in this right side, you can easily see there are different types of charts. So the first one is text tables. Okay, let's say we first will work on the data and then these charts will be more useful to you. But now, after that, we have two things: analytics and data. I'll explain analytics in later videos. Okay, that is an important part. And this one is the data. So this file, this P1 of the supply is nothing but the file which we have loaded, and there is a table here. Now, always remember the table is classified into two groups. First one is the dimensions, the second one is the measures. There is a slight difference between these two terms, dimension and measure. Just try to find out the difference. One small and the main difference I explain you. Just remember, dimension is nothing but an independent variable. Okay, that does not depend on anything. And measures are nothing but the variables which are the dependent variables. It depends on something. Now let's say you have to find out how many units were sold in each and every region. So here unit is a dependent variable which depends on region, which is an independent variable. So always remember dimension, independent variables, and measures a dependent variable. Okay. And now here, if you want to apply filter, you can use this one. If you want to create new page or redirect it to another page, you can use pages option. This part I'll explain you for rows column. So if you want to arrange the data in rows, just drag it to here. If you want to arrange the data in column, just here. So now in this video, you will get, sorry, in this canvas, okay, sheet one is the name of your tab. Okay. So here you can create the visuals. Now, first, it is very easy. Okay. Making a dashboard is like very easy with the help of Tableau. Okay. So what you have to do first, we have to drag like this. Okay. Now let's say we want to arrange unique regions in rows. So what I'll do, I'll just drag region in this rows. So we have three region: east, west, and central. Very easy. Now let's say you want to get how many units were sold in each and every region. Okay. So we will just drag this one to columns. So directly based on our selection, rows and column, the Tableau is very smart. He has created bar chart for us. Okay, and this particular bar chart shows how many units were sold in each and every region. Now we will explore the chart first. The first one is text table, so it will show the data in the form of tables. For central table, we have 1,199 units sold. Then for east, 691. Then for west, 231. After that, we have heat maps. Okay, then we have highlighted tables. Then see, we have symbol maps and maps, but for this one, these are disabled because we need one more dimension to activate that, which is nothing but the geographical location. So in our data set, there is no geographical locations. That's why we cannot open this heat map. Okay. Similarly, we can directly create a pie chart. Okay, so see, so for central 1119, it is showing the data in the form of 22 actually. So region west and unit sold 231. Similarly for use 691. Then we can create stacked bar chart. Okay. Then for this one, we need one more dimension. Okay. And this is side by side bar. After that, we can create tree map. Okay. Then circle views also we can create. Then other part of chart, say for line chart and for area chart. For dual combination is combination of line and bar chart. Okay. So we need some other values, okay, which we haven't assigned yet. So you can use all type of chart, and this one is also good. Packed peoples. Okay. So this particular shows that for central region we have so would be highest number of units, which is 199. And based on that one, other circles are there for east and west region. Right? So based on the data, we can create the graph very easily. And Tableau is very smart, it will help. Okay. So I hope you got two concepts for today. First one, how to install Tableau in your system. And the second one, how to create insights using our data. Okay, if you don't know Tableau, just download it, install it by the procedure which I have shown you. Then load the data. I'll give CSV file in the form of Google Drive. Download that file, upload in your Tableau, okay, and create this particular part of privacy. Okay. So thank you for joining with me in this video, and tomorrow we will proceed it further. Okay, learning on Tableau. So happy learning.